Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel and my first video of 2018. Today I'm going to be reviewing some of the new Fenty Beauty Mademoiselle lipsticks. Alright, so obviously Rihanna is not playing when it comes to her makeup line. She released like 40 shades of foundation. Her packaging is literally killer. Okay, so when these lipsticks dropped, they released 14 shades. Ranging from like nice nudes all the way to like greens and blues and like a bright orange. And I picked up 4 shades: Midnight Wasabi, Up to No Good, Saucy, and Spanked. Alright, so obviously you can see that this packaging is literally killer. It has the same kind of like honeycomb shape, and it's like this metallic mirrored kind of silver. So without further ado, let's just get right into swatching. So first I'm just going to go in with the shade Midnight Wasabi. Alright, so this is the shade Midnight Wasabi on the lips. It's a really, really pretty dark, kind of like, I guess, wasabi green, but like a dark green. The application wasn't too bad. I wish there was a little bit more of a point on the lipstick, but I was able to get a fairly clean line, which is really good. Next, I'm going to put on the shade Up to No Good, which is this really pretty kind of peachy nude shade. So this is the shade Up to No Good on the lips. Next, we're going to go in with the shade Saucy, which is this really vibrant orange. So this is the shade Saucy on the lips. It's a really, really pretty kind of like yellowy based orange. Alright, and last but not least, I have the shade Spanked, which is this really pretty kind of reddish color. Alright, so this is the shade Spanked on the lips. I love this color so much. This is by far my favorite. It's just a color that I can wear every single day, and it's a really pretty kind of like reddish, rosy, kind of deeper. It's a very interesting color and I really love it. Okay guys, so that was all 4 of the Mademoiselle Plush Matte lipsticks that I have by Fenty. Like I said, there are 14 colors and I only have 4 of them. So honestly, if you just look on the website, they range from like nudes to browns to really vampy colors and really bright fun colors. I think Rihanna killed it with this line. The packaging is amazing. I think that she has colors really for every single skin tone and like personality. I think it's just amazing that she released so many shades all at once that like you can basically find something you're gonna love no matter what. For the formula, I really, really like it. It does like dry down matte with like a tiny little bit of a sheen, but like it's mostly matte. These are not drying at all. I have really, really dry lips, so I'm trying to avoid wearing liquid lipsticks all the time because they're really drying, like liquid matte lipsticks. So I think this is a really good alternative that hopefully won't be too drying on my lips. These do transfer. There we go. That kind of just made it more matte and didn't really take off any of the pigment. If you haven't picked them up and you've been eyeing them, you definitely should. I definitely recommend them. The formula is great, the packaging is great, the shade range is amazing. Like, basically everything that's come out with Fenty, I'm obsessed with her packaging and the diversity of her line so far. I'm definitely going to be picking up some more of these, so let me know down below which ones you think I should try out. And give this video a big thumbs up if you like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave, and I will see you all at the next video. Bye guys!